So, room tour for everyone. I know you guys always want a room tour. Hi. Hello. Vanity, bathtub, and yes, this opens and closes, and you can see the ocean right out there. Nice and clean. And you have the stand-up shower, the toilet. Back it out. That's the entrance. Our room is 827 that we're staying in. Here you have the iron board, your safe, storage, nice big closet.
Put your money.
Put your money. You get money?
No, put your
This is
money.
where the fridge is. Open it. Yep.
You can put your booze in.
You get booze. Nice mirror to see yourself. This is 2 queen size bed. That little girl over there, she comes with the room. She's the cleaner. Nice TV, dresser, storage area, seating. Can relax, read a book, and the view. You know,
And the money.
the money view. We're always about the view, right? Look at that. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. Get a little bit of everything. Go back that way. You're gonna get the pool, the fort, different stuff. I'll give you guys a tour of that. But look at this. Spectacular. So beautiful. Of course, your balcony, you have a table and chair. It's nice and big and spacious.
There's the privacy wall.
The privacy wall too. I love it. Love it. The sound of the waves. This is the entrance to the hotel with a beautiful view. Over there you'll find the restaurant, the grill. It's Bayesian inspired. The bell desk. As soon as you enter, you'll find the front desk, the receptionist area, and the lobby. Morning. Over here is a cafe, Copper Cafe. They have patties and sandwiches and stuff like that for breakfast. Very reasonable priced. A nice area to have your coffee and stuff like that. Do bear in mind, this hotel is not all inclusive. Over there is the rum shop. You can dine there too and also enjoy alcohol beverages. This is so beautiful. The Hilton Barbados. One of the pool on the property. And this is very early here in the morning, so you're not seeing anyone. Everyone probably sleeping. This is the beach restaurant. Of course, I'll take you guys over there. This is the deeper pool out of the two. Lots of seating area with umbrellas. Lots of beach area. This is a great area for history. The picture, it's Charles Fort. Welcome to the historic Charles Fort. So you get to share some history with your kids about, you know, the forts and the cannon and stuff like that. It's nicely preserved. Auntie Anna was excited to see these cannons because they use them in their games that they play. It's a great view here, overlooking the ocean, the cannons. Wow. Listen to the waves coming in. You can just grab a coffee and sit here and relax. When I tell you relax, relax. Like the vibe, just listening to the wave is such a therapeutic experience. The waters are blue, the sand is powdery, soft, beautiful. This is the second pool, and right over that bridge, you're gonna find a hot tub. Beautiful sunrise in the morning. And here you have it, the crystal clear waters of Barbados. Nice and clean, no seaweeds. Look at the doggies going for a swim. How nice. They're taking a nice cool down. The beach is no seaweed at all. It's so clean. The sand is so powdery. So beautiful. On the property you have a volleyball nets. There's a second beach area over here. So, you know, it's not overcrowded. You have more beach chairs. And then the other end is where I just show you. You have more beach chairs and umbrellas. There's lots of space. I am here in July and it's not overcrowded. It's so nice. I love that they have the rock wall. And that's breaking the waves, the heavy waves, from impacting when it's coming to the corner. So the ocean is not coming to you rough. The iconic Barbados sign, Barbados flag. More beach areas so you can sit and relax. This is the beach bar. You can grab drinks and food here. The hot tub is temporarily closed, but you'll cross that bridge to get to the hot tub. Maybe it's closed for cleaning. Here they have like a kiddie area with games for the kids. You know, playscape area. Could play chess. Little entertainment for them right next to the pool. As you come down those stairs, you'll find the spa. Could book a spa day. And right next to the spa is the fitness center. Just a short walk from our hotel. We're going over to the Radisson. Over there they have the horses every morning from 5:30 to 8. You can go shower the horse and pet them. Sometimes they allow you to hop on and ride them. So where did they kick them? So Atiana actually ride one of them just now. I didn't get that on camera. Right off the lobby, you'll find a lighthouse terrace, and here you can do dinner. And they have a buffet style breakfast every morning. I believe from 8 to 10:30 you can pay and go eat breakfast there. Actually, I corrected myself. Breakfast starts at 6:30 to 10:30. This is the pool area from the 8th floor. As you can see, you see the pool, the beach.